Hello everyone. Today I will explain about Man's Peril second lesson written by Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell. So Bertrand Russell's best and Arthur William Russell was a British mathematician and logician, professor and writer. Okay. Briefly explain about the author. So look at here. Bernard Arthur William Russell, when he was born 1872 and when he was died 1970. He was born in a aristocratic family and educated at Cambridge University. He was a professor of philosophy besides being a versatile writer and public speaker. His books include German Social Democracy, an essay on the foundations of geometry, war crimes in Vietnam, and the principles of mathematics, etc. He is acclaimed as the greatest philosopher and logician of the 20th century. So Russell's opposite war, especially World War I and the Vietnam War. He was jailed in 1948 for his anti-war views and again in 1961 for his opinions that went against the use of nuclear weapons. He was an inspiration to the majority of the youth for his anti-ethics, anti-war, anti-ethics, anti-nuclear protests. As a writer, he contributed towards the history of ideas, ethics, political and educational theory and religious studies. He was honored with the Order of Merit in 1949 and he received the Nobel Prize Literature in 1950s. So look at here about the author Bertrand Russell. So his works are books German Social Democracy, okay, and war crimes in Vietnam and the principles of mathematics, etc. Awards. He was honored with the first one Order of Merit in 1941 and second one Nobel Prize in Literature 1950s. Now I will give introduction about the story. The main theme of the essay in rituality of work and its impact on all life in our planet. For example, the war between nuclear weapon lead to annihilation of human race. Russell urges the nation in this anti-war essay that all should keep their issues and conflicts aside and understand the perils. For example, hydrogen bomb is more powerful than atom bomb. More than atom bomb. And it can destroy the entire human race in the world. Humans have not learned lessons from their past experiences. For instance, for example, USA atom bomb set on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It is the hydrogen bomb explodes the radioactive particles scattered into the environment. And it causes much harm, diffusing into air, water and the earth. The essayist quotes some of the experts' ideas on the obliteration caused by the world wars among nuclear states and abolishment, or was people think that abolishment of war is not possible, so was maybe continue prohibiting nuclear weapon. It years that nuclear powers may not be yet to their agreement on nuclear bond and the manufacturer hydrogen bomb as soon as the war breaks up. Russell exhorts the neutral countries to play a key role preventing the outbreak of a world war. So in this result of war leads to exterminations of all life including, for example, Laura and Bond are our planet. He appeals to human beings as a human being to remember humility and forget the rest. So in this we are observed two hard words. What are they? So here abolish. Abolish means to formally put an end. For example, a system or practice or institution. So it is abolishment. Okay. And second one, belligerent. belligerent. So a person who is eager to fight or argue, that one we call belligerent. And in this we are observing the atom bomb. Atom is the smallest unity of any chemical element consisting of a positive nucleus surrounded by negative electrons. So here man's peril. In this lesson explain about the man's peril. So human being. Okay, human being. What is the result of the radioactivation? Okay, in this lesson we are observing about the man's peril. So here briefly explain. So look at here. Bertrand Russell, he was a British philosopher, logician and professor. So when he was born 1952 and when he was died so 1970. His books German Social Democracy was Crime in Vietnam and the Principles of Mathematics. Okay, so in this story, so finally he wants to say few words about human beings. So these are very very important. So he appeals to human being as human being to remember humility and forget the rest. Thank you for watching.